Trying to build your business step by step needs the right team of writers, graphic designers, page or site managers, and SEO experts. And hiring all of them means a lot of money. Here's a good news for you. There's an online digital platform who offers all of these quality services at a reasonable price. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. Founded in 2010 and based in Tel Aviv, Israel, the company provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. In this short video, I'd show you how to explore Fiverr and find your desired service there. You can type the specific service you look for on the search bar at their homepage. From programming and tech, to graphics and design, to digital marketing, to writing and translation, to video and animation, to music and audio, to business, lifestyle and industries, they've got you all covered. Let's search for example, the service about article and blog posts. You can make your search much easier by customizing it. In the service options, you can choose your topic, language, tone, article type, and services to be included in your article or blog post service. In the seller details, you can choose your seller level, his language and his location. You can also input your minimum and maximum budget and the delivery time you want to receive the service. After customizing the service you want to receive, wait for Fiverr to lay down all its sellers according to your requirements and you can finally choose from them. Browse the seller's profile by scrolling in the page. Choose the profile you are interested with. There are sellers recommended by Fiverr because of their highly rated services, trusted for quality work and delivery. When you click on a seller's profile, another tab will be opened showing the overview of the seller's service and offer. You can see a carousel of images showing his gig, profile, and his projects done for his clients on Fiverr. You might want to read the description of his gig that tells about why you should hire him for his service, and what are his capabilities and specialties. You will see the different service packages he offers below the page. There's the basic, standard and premium package. Each varies with the services included, the delivery time and the amount needed to be paid. When you have decided what package to avail, click the select button and you will be diverted to the order details page where you can further customize your package order. When you finally made up your mind, click the Order Now button. You'll be asked to sign up or log in if you already have an account with Fiverr. Then you need to input your credit card, debit card or PayPal details that you'll use to pay for your chosen service. The last step is to submit the requirements by answering simple questions needed by the seller in order to start the service. If you are looking for professional services, check out Fiverr Pro where you can find the verified Fiverr talents you want to buy service from. They offer pro logo design services that starts at $500, pro article and blog posts that starts at $100, pro social media marketing services that starts at $335, and many more pro services. Here's a profile of a pro seller that offers article and blog post writing. Unlike the usual Fiverr freelancers, professional sellers doesn't have the package you can choose from. You will notice this seller's profile is focused on making funny writings with 500-word write-ups to be delivered within 4 days with one revision. Below the seller's page, you can see the reviews given to the seller by his clients. But what makes the professionals different from the usual sellers in Fiverr? Fiverr offer courses to a seller if they want to be verified and professional, so it's an assurance to the buyers that pro sellers will really give you quality works and services. That's how you order a service on Fiverr, as simple as browsing in your social media. In just clicks, you can get the quality service you need in Fiverr to build your business to a success. Check out Fiverr now, link in my description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.